This Rome tips. Today I show you how to make a stacked array chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open old project. Okay, category and amount and click on car and first category and press shift your keyboard and click on this. Alright, all category and amount and click on insert and search chart line and click on chart. Alright, and click on chart type, scroll down and stacked array chart and click on this. Alright, and that's all. And stacking standard 100% or none. Alright, standard and click on customize, chart style and background color and font white or grand mount, chart border color and green, smooth and this. Alright, smooth, nice. And scroll down, chart and axis titles, chart subtitle, chart title on right this, on click on double click this and write hello price. Okay, and title font narrow and title font size and click on auto, title format bold and this, and text color black, series and line color and this, area opacity 10 or 17, point shape circle or triangle and star and ATK, pentagon and point size 7. Alright, legend and horizontal axis bold and vertical axis and bold, green lines and ticks. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye.